Hello students, today in fifth part of our maths lecture, we will continue our lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. As in previous lecture, we have seen that for constructing any type of triangle, we need at least 3 elements. So today in this lecture, we will learn how to construct a triangle when measure of two angles and the length of included side is given. Let's start. Now let's see our first question. Construct triangle PQR such that length QR is equals to 5 centimeter. Measure angle Q is equals to 30 degree. Measure angle R is equals to 105 degree. First we will draw one rough figure, rough triangle. We'll give name whatever is given in the question. It is given PQR. So here we will write PQR. After writing name, we will see what measurements are given. QR is given 5 centimeter. So this is our QR. So here we will write 5 centimeter. Then measure angle Q is equals to 30 degree. This is our angle Q. So here we will write 30 degree. Then angle R is given 105. This is angle R. So we will write a 105 degree. As we have seen that for construction of any type of triangle, at least 3 elements should be given. So here in this case, we have 3 elements. Let's check angle Q. First element is angle Q is given 30. Second is given segment QR 5 centimeter. Third element is given angle R 105 degree. So we have all 3 elements, means we are able to construct triangle. So for this, as in this sum, in this construction we have one segment and 2 angles. So for this type of construction, always we will start with segment. So first we will draw segment QR of 5 centimeter with the help of scale and pencil. So this is 5 centimeter segment. Name is given QR. So here we will write QR. Will write the measurement 5 centimeter. Now as we have to draw now 2 angles. One angle I have to draw on point Q and second angle I have to draw on point R. So we will again follow the things which I have explained you earlier. Now first we will start with angle Q. My angle Q is 30 degree. Now we will use protractor to construct this angle. We will arrange our protractor properly. Now we will see point Q is towards which hand side? Left hand side. So I have explained you left means which numbers we will see? Down. So left means we have to see numbers which are shown down. My Q is towards left hand side. So I will see the numbers which are shown down. So let's check down where we have 30 degree. We'll arrange the protractor properly. Q is 30 degree. Down we will see where is 30. 0, 10, 20. Here is 30. We will plot one point and this point we will join with point Q. Put arrow here and we will write a 30 degree. Now we will start constructing angle R. Now angle R we have to draw. Now angle R is, for drawing angle R, we will see point R is towards which hand side? Right hand side. Right means what we will see? Right means we will see the numbers which are shown up. My vertex R is towards right hand side. So I will see the numbers which are shown up. So up we will see where we have 105. These are the numbers which are shown up. We'll start from here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After 100, whatever will be the fifth line, that will be 105. So now this point we will join with R. Now here we will show angle symbol and we will write 105 degree. Now here where both the rays are intersecting each other, this point is nothing but point P. So here we will label as P. Second question is construct triangle FUN such that length UN is equal to 6.1 centimeter. Measure angle U is equals to measure angle N is equals to 65 degree. So for this also we will first draw one rough triangle with the help of scale and pencil. After drawing one rough triangle, we will give name. Name is given FUN. So we'll write FUN. After writing name, we will see what measurements are given. Measurements are given. Length UN is equal to 6.1 centimeter. So this is our UN. Here we will write 6.1 centimeter. Further it is given measure angle U is equals to measure angle N is equals to 65 degree. Now what does that mean? It means that angle U is equals to 65. Also angle N is equals to 65. Means our angle U is also is equals to 65 degree and our angle N is also 65 degree. So for U also we will write 65 degree and for N also we will write 65 degree. So for U we will write measurement 65 degree and for N also we will write 65 degree. Now our rough figure is ready. We will start our construction. We will start with UN 6.1 centimeter with the help of scale and pencil. We'll give name UN. We'll write the measurement 6.1 centimeter. Now we will start constructing angle U. We'll arrange the protector properly. Now again same steps. U, my vertex U is towards which hand side? Left hand side. Left means which numbers we will see? Down. Down which number we have to see? 65. So we will check where we have 65 down. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After this 60, my fifth line will be 65. So here I will plot one point and this point now we will join with U. Here I will write 65 degree. In the same way, we will construct now angle N. We'll arrange the protector properly. Now my vertex N is towards my right hand side. Right means up. So we will see the numbers up, but which number we have to see? 65. So we'll see where we have 65 written up. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After that, fifth line will be 65. Now this point we will join with point N. Now here we will write 65 degree. Now here where both the rays are intersecting each other, this point is nothing but our point F. So we will write here F. Students, this is your assignment which you have to do daily and your work should be signed by your parents. Along with this assignment, you have to do the constructions which are shown in this video. Thank you. God bless you all.